Welcome to the video guys, hope you are fine. In this video you will learn how to cook special potatoes fried chips at home in easy way. Guys, it is very tasty, very yummy fried dish with potatoes. Just watch the full video for the detail and subscribe to the channel. Hit nearby bell icon and choose all option so that you can get the upcoming latest videos notifications. Well guys, this fried dish is simple. The main ingredient of this fried dish is potatoes. Let's watch what other spices are necessary for this recipe. Ingredients: potatoes, red pepper powder, coriander powder, salt, food color, and one more thing is gram flour or pearls flour. Okay guys, first chop potatoes in slices as you are watching in the video, and then wash all slices with water. Strain water. Now your potato slices are ready for further process of cooking. Now to make gram flour solution, add some water in it and mix. Then add all the spices, red pepper, coriander, salt and food color in this solution. Mix it well. Add more water if needed. After preparation, your solution will be seen as you are watching. Now add oil in pan and lit on the stove. Wait for some time until oil in pan got heated. Now dip potato slices one by one in the gram flour solution and then put into the oil in the pan. Let's watch. Wait for a time now so that the potato slices turned into brown or golden color. Okay guys, your special potatoes chips are ready. Eat it with ketchup and cup of tea. It's very tasty guys. Try it and comments below. That's it guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.